Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a really cool hooded eyeliner trick that I learned from TikTok. It's actually super easy and I thought I'd come on here and give you guys a detailed tutorial because this will completely change your eyeliner look. If you have hooded eyelids, you know the stress and frustration of trying to get your eyeliner right, so let's fix that problem forever. Of course, start with your eyeshadow look of choice. Keep your head level and your face neutral. We're gonna do this with our eyes opened and relaxed because if you think about it, when you do your eyeliner with your eyelids closed, it's not a proper representation of how your eyeliner is gonna look when your eyes are open. And that's a severe issue if you have hooded eyelids. So with your eyes open and a neutral face, you're gonna take your eyeliner and draw a line where you want your eyeliner to start and then go right over your eyelid line, like right over your hooded eyelid, and then stop. Now if you close your eyes, you'll see a little gap in your eyeliner and you'll want to see if the little dash you made past your hooded eyelid is going in the direction of where you want your eyeliner wing to swoop. And if it doesn't, you can just erase that little dash after your hooded eyelid and then try again just to make sure it goes right and before you get too far where you just can't correct the mistake. Because trust me, I've done it and it's frustrating. So just do it ahead of time, kind of gauge it out, imagine where you want your eyeliner to be. And after you finish outlining your wing, we're going to go back in and line out that gap. Now the easiest way to do this is to start from the tip of the top line and angle it backwards towards your eyeliner wing. Then with your eyelid closed, you're going to draw out the rest of the eyeliner that's on your lash line all the way back until it meets that line you just drew. And this creates that angle that makes this seem more abstract or more on purpose and neat. And if you want it to be more of a curve, you can go back in and detail it that way. Of course, you're going to want to go back in a little bit and just kind of tidy it up and just fill in all the areas within the line. I know for the e-girl look, they have more of a dramatic angle or swoop, and for that you're going to want to have the line that crosses over your hooded eyelid to be placed closer towards the inner corner of your eye. Like the further back you have it, the more natural it'll look, and then the further it goes towards your inner corner, the more dramatic it'll come out. And then again, it all depends on how hooded your eyelids are and pretty much just your eyelids in general. But after playing with this technique for a while, you'll kind of get the feel of how to get the look you're going for. So it's just a really big help if you have hooded eyelids, and this helped me so much. Like I feel like my eyeliner looks good no matter what angle I'm in, whether my eyes are open, closed, 360, 180, my eyeliner is going to be looking perfect. And this really just upped my makeup game, and it's just a really big help to me, and I hope it was a really big help to you. And like this video so it could be a really big help to somebody else. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future helpful videos. Thank you guys for watching. Love you so much. Okay, bye.